Giant bamboo shoots offer numerous health benefits due to their rich nutritional profile, including promoting heart health, aiding in weight management, and improving digestion. They are low in calories and fat while providing essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Important safety note: fresh bamboo shoots contain natural toxins called cyanogenic glycosides and should not be eaten raw. Simple cooking methods like boiling, or processing techniques like fermenting, safely remove these compounds. Nutritional benefits: rich in fiber. The high fiber content in bamboo shoots supports healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and acts as a prebiotic to nourish beneficial gut bacteria. Low in calories and fat. Bamboo shoots are an ideal food for weight management because they are low in fat and calories, while their high fiber content helps you feel full for longer. Essential minerals. These shoots are a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart function. They also contain silica, which supports bone and connective tissue health. Key vitamins. Bamboo shoots provide essential vitamins such as vitamins B, E, and C, which contribute to immune system function and overall health. Potential health protective properties. Antioxidant effects. Bamboo shoots contain antioxidant compounds, such as phenolic acids and flavonoids, that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. The fermentation process can enhance these antioxidant activities. Anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have indicated that bamboo shoots have anti-inflammatory effects that may help with conditions like arthritis. Lower cholesterol. The fiber and phytosterols in bamboo shoots have been shown to help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, which improves cardiovascular health and reduces the risk of heart disease. Support for blood sugar control. The inulin, a type of dietary fiber, in bamboo shoots can help regulate blood sugar by slowing down glucose absorption. Detoxifying and diuretic effects. Bamboo shoots have diuretic properties that can help the body flush out toxins and excess water, supporting kidney and liver function. Bamboo wine. Rice wine is injected into bamboo trunks using the plant as a natural fermentation chamber. The wine matures with the plant's growth, commonly a year, infusing with the plant's flavones and sap to produce a unique flavor. Interesting gas fuck. Do year ago. Bamboo wine. Rice wine is injected into bamboo trunks using the plant as a natural fermentation chamber. The wine matures with the plant's growth, commonly a year, infusing with the plant's flavones and sap to produce a unique flavor. Giant bamboo shoots can be used to make different kinds of bamboo wine, including fermented shoot juice wines, or living bamboo wine, by injecting spirits into a living bamboo culm. Bamboo wine made from shoot juice is a fermented product from species like Oxytinanthera abyssinica, and is rich in water-soluble vitamins.